Hello, this is Jacob L. In this video I will show you how to make a tillering tree with a built-in ratcheting windlass. This is a specialized tool for bow makers that will allow you to tiller a bow, which is to alter the limbs so they will bend evenly out to the correct draw length. You can also use it for testing draw weight. There is a link to the plans in the video description below. The first step will be to assemble the bow holder at one end of the 4x4. This is two pieces of wood that form a simple shelf. Next we can put together the ratchet mechanism. Screw the pawl in on the location marked on the plans. It needs to be loose enough to pivot on the screw easily. Install the tension spring between the pawl and the block of 2x6 the pawl is mounted to. Mount the ratchet wheel onto the end of the PVC pipe, the longer of the two PVC pipes, and slide the pipe through the hole in the block of 2x6. At this point you can test the ratchet and make sure it's working. Turn it over and slide the other block of 2x6 over the PVC pipe. On this side we will install the hand crank for the windlass. Install the short PVC pipe into one of the holes for the handle. Then mount it to the end of the axle with the other hole. Measure 55 inches back from the front of the shelf where the bow rests, and install the windlass assembly with its front edge at the 55-inch mark. I used 4 long wood screws to mount it, but you might want to make it a bit stronger than that. This is a plastic coated steel cable and a crane scale from eBay. Attach the crane scale to the steel cable. Then feed the other end of the steel cable through the hole in the center of the windlass axle PVC pipe. Tie a knot in the end of the cable so that it can't slip back out through the hole. The final step is to add markings so you can tell how far the bow is being drawn. I painted it white so the letters will be easy to see. Mark 2 lengthwise columns and put markings once every 2 inches in one column and once every 2 ATA inches in the other column. ATA or AMO inches are the same as standard inches, but 0 inches is shifted 1.75 inches back. So 0 inches standard inches equals 1.75 ATA inches. And this is measuring from where the handle rests, there, on the shelf part. As you're drawing it back, you can stop in several places and let it rest on the ratchet and take measurements of what the draw weight is at each point. Then you can use that to form a graph, so you can get an idea of what the draw for the bow looks like and calculate energy stored. Thank you for watching.